Some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one look like a sheep?
Take it away, Gabe!